So today, I want you to be able to think about these things, think about your surroundings. During my searches, that there was no such focus on black girls and mental health, let alone with hair. So it wasn't a focus at all. And that really bothered me. Because as for myself, I had many stories and many traumatic experiences. And that's why these workshops are important, to change that narrative. And based on our stories, so we can be up there and be a focus too.
Mental health starts with self-awareness. Reconnecting with your hair is an act of self-care, strengthening your inner peace.
Think of your hair story as the triage bit. So this is where you're extracting all the information that you need about your hair, right? But it starts with you. Not with anybody else outside. I want you to connect with the energy of your soul and your relationship with your hair.
Healthy hair requires care, just like a healthy mind. By nurturing both, you build a holistic sense of well-being and mental peace.
And fill your time and your world with, videos like I showed you, yeah? Instead of images where it makes you feel not so great about your hair. I mean, if you look at his hair, he's traveled all around Africa doing those masterclasses and doing those workshops. Yeah. And we assume that because social media is what it is that we all know about our hair. But you have to start from within, because inside of you is the code that unlocks the key to your relationship with your hair. Start with yourself. Yeah? I'm so proud of you.